today we're going to be making some slime. And at the end we're going to be doing a small little experiment, which you guys will see what it is. But other than that, I think we should begin and tell you guys the stuff that we need to make this slime. So
comment below and watch this. So we have blue.
Yeah.
And this is her favorite blue.
Yep, it is my favorite. You guys can use any type of your choice, but this is the one that we recommend. And next we have some soap. And you guys can use any soap of your kind. And next
we have lotion, my mom's lotion.
Okay, yes, it's a lavender lotion to make it smell very nice. And next, of course, to make fluffy slime, we're going to be making fluffy slime, by the way. You need some shaving cream. We're going to be using the original shaving cream, but you guys can use any type of your choice.
So we bought a new shaving cream, like not my dad's. We already have my dad's.
Okay, and then we have a
whisker, like mix like this.
But you guys, if you don't want to mix it with this, you guys can use something else because we're going to be using
But
another.
that is even for pancakes.
Yeah, for pancakes. And then we have this gigantic spoon to mix it as well.
Like a big bad berry.
Okay, and then we have this gigantic bowl, and yeah. Next up, let's just move this way over there. Next up, we have a measuring cup with warm water inside.
Yeah, and warm water, it has some size where you want to put that.
Yes, but I don't think we'll need the warm water just yet. I'll make it. Like the warm water is for activator, and I'll show you how to make the activator as well.
Hey, can you tell that one? I don't know.
Oh, sure. So, this is some cornstarch to make the slime thick, I guess.
And let's tell the borax.
And the borax is just to make some activator as well.
A powder.
Yeah. And now this is air dry clay.
Air dry clay, the gooey one.
Yep.
That one we show you at our next video, right?
Yeah, these are like from the Charmers video. If you guys haven't seen that one, make sure you see it. We make bracelets and beads, so see that one as well. And these are just from there. We got some pink air dry clay and purple.
And black, of course.
Yeah, we did have black, but why make slime black? So, but you guys can use any color. And if you don't want to use a color, you guys don't have. We have
our painting,
and yeah, that's it for now. So I guess I should get ready and then let's go on with the video. Alright, so first up, you need to put some of this Elmer's glue inside the bowl. You guys can put as much as you want, but just remember this: if you put like the other ingredients as well, then you're going to like make a larger slime as well. So the glue doesn't really matter as much because there's a lot more ingredients to go, alright? So I'm just going to put some in, and why don't you talk to them until.
So, DJ are kind of like DJ.
Alright, so okay, never mind. Okay, so I'm done putting the glue inside, and like there, you can see. And so now I'm just going to put some cornstarch in.
No, you can't see because it's like the same color.
Okay, yeah. We did put some glue in anyways. I put like, you guys can put half a cup anyways, that's like a normal thing. But next we're gonna put one
I won't do that.
Wait up. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So I guess we'll just do that right now.
Can you do that? The mix-up?
The mix-up? You're gonna do the mix-up after. We still have more to go.
Okay. So I'm gonna put it in, okay?
Sure you can.
Yay! I'm so happy to put in, and I love so beautiful.
Okay, so we have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Just put that right in. Right, I'm just gonna put a little bit more. But next we're gonna put about 2 pumps of soap. So do you want to do this?
Yeah.
2 pumps. 1, 2. All right.
1, 2.
Yep.
2.
So there. 1, 1, 2. Okay, that was a little bit too little, so 1, 2. There. Now that would be enough. But now we're just gonna mix it up, and when you see that everything's mixed up together, then just stop right there, and yeah. Alrighty, so I guess we're done mixing it up now, and so now we're just gonna put some shaving cream in it, and I would take your measuring cup now, and add about half a cup. I mean, like, half, right? You know. I'll just show you. Wait. So you see right there, you would put some shaving cream in, just about there, just about to there. And you don't want a lot, or else your slime is gonna get really weird.
Wrecked.
Yeah, it's just gonna get wrecked. It's not gonna stretch that like far. There it goes.
Oh, geez.
So now, since we're done putting that in, I would take our lotion now and just put about 3 or 2 squeezes inside. I'm gonna whisk this in. Mix it all up. Okay, so now you guys, I got the water already. It's 1/4, just about there. And now we're just gonna put some water in it, borax in it. And the water is warm, if you're wondering. And you don't need a lot because you're not gonna use too much anyways. So don't put a lot inside. So now we're just gonna put about that much, and and just about that much, and another about that much. Just mix it all up to make the activator all ready. Right after mixing just a while, dissolve all the borax, like powder inside it, the water. Plus it should dissolve really quickly because like the water's pretty warm. Yeah?
I'm enough.
Like this. We've got the slime, or the not done yet slime, ready there. And we're just going to take some small little drips and then just put them in. Alright, small. And now mix it up. Okay. And Ria's just going to keep on mixing it up until, only put small, okay? And when it starts getting together, just stop right there. Okay, now, come on, faster. Okay, I'm just going to do a lot because I know that it's not going to be ready right now. So just a little bit. Remember that if you put all of it inside, it's going to get doomed. The slime is going to be ready, except it's not going to stretch at all, plus it's going to feel really bad.
It's going to be sticky too, even.
Very. Now I'm just going to put a lot inside, like 2 full spoons, and now I'm going to start whisking it.
Because I'm not good at mixing.
Now this is halfway through, and it's already like getting together. See? It's all just together. It's a clump now. Make sure you keep a paper right by you. Alrighty? Now just keep on mixing.
They're not people on the room. We're just talking to us, right?
Yeah, really. We're basically just talking to ourselves right now.
Or to the food.
Alrighty, so I know it's really sticky and it's not going to work out yet, so I'm just going to take a little bit more. And Ria, wait up.
Mix up.
Okay, now can I mix it up really fast? I need to try something. No, that's not how you.
Okay, let's do both.
No, wait up.
Ah.
I know, right? Let's see if I can just pick this up. See right there. It's getting together, as you guys can see now. And why don't you just poke it really fast? Now just poke it really fast. If it sticks on you, it's not ready. So now what I'm going to do is actually do a different thing. I'm just going to soak this spoon up a little inside.
I'm just going to put this over here.
Yeah, sure. And now once you're done that, I would just let all the water drip off it. Alright, but not too much. And then I'm just going to put, rub it on the side. Can you move more? Let's show them. So the slime's right there. I'm just going to rub it onto the slime. Just like that, alrighty? And I'll just keep doing that because I know that you don't need too much. So let's just keep on doing that. There we go. The slime's all ready for you guys to play with.
Oh, we need the green food curry.
Oh, it smells pretty good as well.
Can you smell it? Strawberry ice cream.
Okay.
Strawberry ice cream is very favorite. Now mine. I didn't ever tell you.
She never tried it.
But I now like it.
even though she didn't try.
Okay, now I like it, but I didn't try it. And yeah, I just hear you over it. Just tell me the people.
What did I say?
Maria didn't try ever. Yeah, you said that, but it's okay. I still love you.
Aw, that's nice of you. Now, I'm just gonna take it.
Hey, girl,
Hey.
you let me a little bit. Maybe just a little bit.
Now let's color and do the little experiment I was hoping to do. And it's actually really good. You guys should seriously try to make this slime. Plus, if you're in quarantine just like us, it's a great way to spend time with your siblings as well. Got our colors chosen and other things. And now we're just gonna ask her what color she wants. So, Rhea, what colors do you want?
So I have white slime, and I'm gonna use these colors: purple, blue.
Purple and blue, and including white, but she doesn't need like the, white one because the slime's already white. Anyways, so now I do it like this. You might need a spoon if you want to, but I'm just gonna do it my
I
own.
need a spoon.
Read up. Hug. So there it is. Now make sure you don't really get it on
Oh, yellow, pink, green.
Yellow and pink and turquoise is actually a really good mix. It's like a
Ava, it's like in the post show, right?
Okay, so the yellow slime is now done, and I'm gonna move on with the pink one. Okay. Pink is now done, and now we're just gonna move on with the green slash turquoise.
I need a paper.
There's one right there. Guys, this slime turned out amazing. It was really nice having to make this slime because it's really stretchy, fluffy, and it's really nice anyways. So now I'm just gonna mix it up and let's do that right now. Alrighty, so now I'm just gonna do this, line it together. Now starting from any side, just roll them from it.
This is
Okay, so now let's just roll. Are you ready? Because I am.
I'm not.
Like always. There it is. It's all conjoined together. Now I'm just gonna twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist this part. Just pull it together, pull it together, pull it together.
I want it done.
And here it is, your own multicolored slime. It's fluffy as well, but it's amazing. Like, don't you guys see?
Can you mix up mine?
It's so nice. I love it so much. Alrighty, now let's do Rhea. Go. Alrighty, so now Rhea says that she wants to mix hers together, so let's do them, right, Rhea? Are you roll this part all to here? Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay. Very nice. Now let's mix it up. Mix it up. This slime actually represents Elsa, Anna, and Olaf, so she is beauty.
This slide's so too. I know, right?
Okay, here, that's very beautiful. It's like a marble type, except it has 3 colors. And so now, you guys, we're just gonna mix these ones. This is the iridine clear one, and this one is the fluffy one. Let's mix them. Okay, this looks like a candy cane.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Oh, candy tight.
Okay. And there it is. So you guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you guys really like all these slimes. Look how cute they look. I love them so much. This one's so pretty, this one's so pretty, and this one's so pretty. Plus, if you're a Frozen fan, this one is the one that you guys should make.
We're gonna give this slime to Santa.
Yeah, to Santa. Alrighty, maybe that's a long way now from now. But anyways, for now, bye guys. I hope this video was really nice. Make sure you subscribe, and if you...
Hey! Wait, no, we try it. So, comment below our challenge and subscribe to our challenge.
Yeah, so subscribe to our channel if you haven't so yet. And if you like this video so much, make sure you hit that like button.